Hello, my dear audience. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll tell you a story about the importance of unity. Once upon a time, there was a certain father who had a family of sons. But these sons, oh my goodness, they were forever quarreling among themselves. No words he could say did the least good. So this poor father cast about in his mind for some very striking example that should make them see that discord would lead them to misfortune. And he thought, and finally he had an idea. He called one of them and asked him to bring a bundle of sticks. Then, handing the bundle to each of his sons in turn, he told them to try to break it. But although each one tried his best, none was able to do so. The father then untied the bundle and gave the sticks to his sons to break one by one. This they did very easily. Then the father said to them, "My sons, do you not see how certain it is that if you agree with each other and help each other, it will be impossible for your enemies to injure you? But if you are divided among yourselves, you will be no stronger than a single stick in that bundle." And that is the reason, my dear audience, why we should all be united. There is a beautiful proverb in the English language that says, "In unity there is strength." When we are all together and working together, we can accomplish great things. But discord and disunity, they can bring even the strongest of families to their knees. So, my little friends, let us all strive to be united, to be kind and helpful to one another, and so make our families strong and happy. Now then, my dear audience, I have finished today's story. If you liked it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the KidFable channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.